disgusting. I don't want to touch it.
I am an instructor here at Grossology. Today we are learning about the brain, and we are using sheep brains to help us out. So we've identified different parts of the brain, mainly the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the medulla, and these kids are able to kind of dissect the brains, looking at the two different hemispheres and cutting through the cerebellum to kind of look at the neat features in that, and looking at our medulla to see how that helps control our breathing, our heart rate, and our vital functions.
We're dissecting a sheep's brain.
There's skin on a lamb's brain. That came off of this part. Oh, that's hard to remember.
We've learned about the brain and where the parts are. Like down there is the medulla, the cerebellum. It controls balance and coordination of the muscles.
It's always great, and it's neat to have for this course something so gross on the first day. It's grossology. We like gross things, and so a lot of it is it's a different smell, it's a different texture. They're able to see the kind of the different surface areas that you have in the hemispheres on the left and the right side, and each of those features has a different context for what your brain actually does.
It had like two halves, and then the cerebellum was like right there.
With this experience, I really hope that kids continue to come back to the Tech Center. There are some other summer camp offerings, like the veterinary course where they're able to dissect a fetal pig, and so this is kind of our fundamental rudimentary sense where they're seeing these organs in an isolated fashion, whereas with the veterinary tech, because they're looking at that fetal pig, they're able to see how those systems work concurrently and as a whole specimen versus just an individual brain or eyeball. So by introducing it at this young age, you're getting them familiar with those skills needed for dissection, but you're also getting them more comfortable with the idea of using live specimens to study and how that can be impactful into science.